My name is Stephen Denny. I'm running for 7th Court of Appeals, Place 4. I was born in Amarillo. I grew up here, went to Amarillo Public Schools. I'm an Eagle Scout, a volunteer firefighter, EMT, married to my wife from Borger. We have one son named Grant. He's a type 1 diabetic, and that led me to volunteer to be on a lot of other boards. I'm on the Diabetes Foundation of the High Plains to help out kids get to camp and help with diagnosis and early prevention of type 1 diabetes. I volunteer with the Boy Scouts still and am active in my church, Paramount Baptist. The 7th Court of Appeals is a group of 4 justices who sit on 3 judge panels to decide disputes that happened in district or county courts or even county courts at law throughout the 46 counties that make up the district. They decide that based on written briefs, and then they issue written opinions. If you've ever heard of Roe versus Wade or Brown versus Board of Education or the Citizens United, those cases all came from appellate court decisions. And so this is a very important race because appellate courts help interpret laws, and sometimes they drastically misinterpret them. I'm qualified for the 7th Court of Appeals because I've been a lawyer practicing for 10 years. But the reason you should vote for me is because that court hears more than 50% of its cases as criminal cases. That means that you need a criminal lawyer with criminal experience to be on that court. I've spent my entire career doing criminal work, from being a defense attorney to being a prosecutor to a justice advisor for the judicial system in Afghanistan. And so I know how criminal cases are supposed to go. I know what rights people are supposed to be afforded in trial, and I'll be able to start doing that criminal work on those criminal cases that accounts for more than 50% of their cases on day one. I was interested in running for the 7th Court of Appeals because I'm one of a very few number of attorneys in Amarillo area that even do appeals. And when I looked at the other people that might be qualified in running for this, many of them were Democrats, and that's certainly not acceptable. And I thought we needed a very strong Republican candidate. I've never voted in the Democratic primary, and so I'm the best candidate for that job. Local politics is your best way to engage with your government. There's only one president, there's only 400 or so House of Representatives members, there's only 100 senators, and it's really difficult to get one of those positions. But everybody can be involved in local politics. You can go to your city council meetings, your county commissioner meetings, you can go to court and listen to what's going on, and all of those meetings are open. You can be a precinct member, you can be a precinct chair, you could be a party chair for your area. You could be a delegate to the convention, and you can be involved in what really matters, and that's local politics. Okay. Again, my name is Stephen Denny. I'm running for 7th Court of Appeals. You have to look way down the ballot to find me. If you need more information about me, look on Facebook, Denny for Justice. You could find me at Stephen@dennyforjustice.com or go to www.dennyforjustice.com.